20 years ago, many people underestimated China. They thought it was only a country of factories, a place that copied ideas, but could never lead the future. While the world was talking, China was building day and night. Factories grew, cities expanded, roads stretched across the country, and something bigger was happening. China was learning faster than anyone expected. Millions of students entered universities. Engineers were trained every year. Scientists were funded. New companies were born. While some countries focused only on today, China was planning for the next 20 years. Then came the technology race. Instead of waiting for others, China created its own giants. Companies like Huawei, BYD, DJI, and Tencent changed global markets. Phones, electric cars, drones, digital payments, artificial intelligence. China moved into everything. But the biggest secret was speed. In many countries, a project can take years. In China, entire train systems were built rapidly. Smart cities rose quickly. Factories upgraded with robots. New ideas were tested at massive scale. And when mistakes happened, they adapted fast. Then came high-speed rail. While some nations debated transport for decades, China built one of the world's largest high-speed rail networks. Travel changed. Business accelerated. Cities connected. Then electric vehicles exploded. While others hesitated, China invested early. Now Chinese EV brands compete worldwide. Battery technology improved. Costs dropped. Production surged. And there was one more reason: competition. Inside China's huge market, companies fight hard to survive. Only the fastest improve. Only the smartest scale. That pressure creates innovation. But being ahead does not mean perfect. China still faces challenges: economic pressure, global competition, political tension, and the need for more original breakthroughs. Yet one fact is clear: the country many once dismissed became one of the biggest technology powers on Earth. So why is China ahead? Because while others were watching, China was building. While others argued, China was testing. While others focused on now, China was preparing for tomorrow. And in technology, the future often belongs to those who start early.